How to add multiple links on Instagram. Of course, first let's open your Instagram app and go to your profile on the lower right corner of your screen. Now click Edit Profile, then select Links. Here you can choose to add external link or add your Facebook link. For now, let's choose external link and then simply paste your URL and put a title on it. And once you're finished, simply click Done. Now here you can see that your link was successfully added, and if you want to add more links, just simply repeat the steps given earlier. Now let's go back to your profile to check and see if the links that we just made are working. Simply click it and then there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.